Hi and welcome. So in today's video I'm going to show you how to load film into Target's Heyday 35mm camera. Okay, so here's our camera and here's our film. After you purchase the camera and you take it out of the packaging, I would immediately insert, it comes with a battery, so I would immediately insert the battery into this chamber. So it comes with a AA battery. So you want to insert the battery at the bottom of the camera into this area. Once you have inserted the battery, you're going to close that and then it'll click and then you're all good to go. Okay, so then you're going to, the nice thing about this camera is that it shows you where to pretty much insert the film. So you'll see this arrow, you're going to gently you're going to click this button, you're going to unlatch it. You're going to pull it down and unlatch this. So, so then this should pop up like so. So now you can see this is where you're going to insert your film. All right, so now you're going to, before you insert your film, at the top of the camera, you're going to see this dial. You want to make sure that this dial is pushed all the way up, because if this dial is pushed down, you're not going to be able to get the film into this chamber here, or this area. So make sure that this is pushed all the way up and it's not poking through the bottom. All right, so we're going to open and get our film out. So here's the lead of the film. And you're going to be very gentle with this. So with the film, you want this circular area to be at the bottom, and then you want this smooth area to be at the top. So you're going to place your camera down like so, and you're just going to gently insert the film roll into the camera like so. And it might take a few times, but you should be able to gently insert it in. Like so. It should pop in right there. Alright, so once your film has been inserted into the camera, now you're just going to gently match up the lead with the prongs that are a little bit like closer to the spool. So then you're going to tuck in your lead down into this chamber. Then you're going to take your wheel and you're just going to roll. You're going to roll this wheel until you see your film has been caught onto the sprockets. So you're just going to roll just a few minutes or just a few times. Then you're going to close the door like so. Then you're going to push down this round wheel here, and you're going to go back to this wheel and you're just going to roll it. You're just going to roll until you see a number 1 in this viewfinder. So right now mine says S. I'm going to just keep rolling this until it says 1. Sometimes if it gets stuck, maybe you're like, let's say you're rolling this and it gets stuck, hit the gold button up here and it should take a picture, and it should allow you, or it'll free up the film and it should allow you to keep rolling. All right, so once you've turned this dial and you can no longer turn this dial, you should see a number 1 in the viewfinder, and that means you are ready to take a picture. So yeah, So once you see a 1 here, you're ready to go. You're ready to use your camera and take all the pictures and have fun with this camera. So yes, that is how you load film into Target's 35mm Heyday camera.